guys, I know you guys are really excited for the tutorial. So let's begin. Okay, I've already done my skincare. Quickly starting off with this primer oil by Quirky, which is very hydrating, suitable for a dewy base in these winters. And I hope you can see that glow. Next, I'm using this Fitme foundation matte formulation in the shade 220. Okay, मैंने matte formulation इसलिए यूज़ किया क्योंकि मेरा already skin care dewy था, तो मैं foundation matte यूज़ करती हूँ so that I strike a balance as I have combination skin. Make sure you use a damn beauty blender. Next, I'm using this concealer by Eva Cosmetics in the shade medium. And I love its formulation. It's medium to full coverage and I love it. I'm using this pressed compact powder from Quirky for setting my base, which we just did. Like I said, to maintain the moisture in the skin, I used primer oil and now I'm using a compact which will hold the moisture, and the foundation and the concealer which I used were matte to maintain the balance. It's time to define, which means it's time to contour. I'm using a powder contour and I just place it and blend it with my blender. Quickly heading to eyes, I'm using a brown warm transition shade in my crease line. Next, I'm taking this gel liner pot and I'm dipping my pencil into my gel liner and then creating a wing only on the outer side, as pencil is easier than the brush, only on the outer edge. Now I'm taking a flat brush and smudging out my liner just to smoothen it with a black color eyeshadow. Now with the same shadow, black eyeshadow, I'm connecting it towards the inner corner of my eye with a very light hand. Now I'm softening the black eyeliner with a dark brown shadow. Now using a thicker flat brush, and I'm taking a golden color and placing it on the lid of my eye, exact in the center. Now I'm taking a warm coral color and placing it on my lower lash line. Okay, अब मैं कैमरा में टुकुर टुकुर देख रही हूँ कि देखूँ कि कैसा लग रहा है, और लगता है कि अब बन चुका है. So lashes curl कर लेते हैं because it makes a lot of difference. Now I'm taking a flat brush and filling in the gaps of my eyebrows and giving them nice shape. And I guess I'm done. And boom, here are the lashes. I've added my lashes only on the outer corner of my eyes, and this is how it looks. Now it's time to add some freshness. I'm using this Quirky mini blush in the shade Pink Diva and this fluffy brush, tapping down the excess product and placing right on the apples of my cheeks. We're going to add a lot of blush, cause why not? It's winter, girl. It's time to activate my fixing spray and fixing everything which we have done till now. Make sure कि आपकी fixing spray eyeshadow पर ना लगे. It's time to highlight. थोड़ा light, थोड़ा chunky करे. I'm adding the highlighter on the bridge of my nose, on my inner corner, brow bone. And yeah, I think I'm liking it. Okay, coming to the final step. We are using the Quirky mini lipstick in the shade Let's Make a Pearl Necklace. And there we go. And I am done with the look. I hope you like this look. This is a wearable makeup as a wedding guest. And if you do try, please tag me. I would love to see your recreations. Until then, take a very good care of yourself. If you like this video, please do like, share, and follow and subscribe. Thanks for watching.